What is happening, everybody? Josh here from Spawn Fly Fish, and we're back with another fly tying tutorial. Before we get started, do us a huge favor, smash that like button, smash that subscribe button, and sign up for our notifications. So we're going to get after this. For those of you that live in the Pacific Northwest, Halloween is right around the corner, and that means chum are here or will be soon. So we are going to jump on the vise. We have a couple chum flies that we've showcased in the past. We're going to showcase another one here today. The reality of it is, it's not that hard. This isn't a rocket science fly that we're tying. It's a really simple fly, but this will give us an opportunity to connect with you guys, talk about what we're doing, and showcase yet another way of catching this species. So we're going to throw some thread wraps here, and I like to fish sparse chartreuse flies for these chum salmon. Put this fly in front of their face and they do have a tendency to grab it. So first thing we're going to do, sticking with the theme of chum, we're going to use the Hareline Chum Green dyed pearl diamond braid. So we just need a little bit of a tail here. We're going to throw that in right at the bend of the hook there on this Alec Jackson size number 9. Cool, we'll give it a little bit of a ramp there to feel down, and we'll work our way back to the end of this hook eye. Alright, we're just going to wrap this braid moving forward, touching wraps till we get to the point where the hook eye on these Alec Jacksons splits. So right when you get to that split and you're tying down that eye, that's where we're going to stop that braid. So right about there looks great. And if I'm being completely frank with you guys, this would catch one. But we're going to have a little more fun here on the vise. We're going to add some more materials and really get this thing going. Alrighty. If you've seen many of our videos, you know Pete and I have a problem not sneaking in some spawn Simi seal in any pattern. So we are going to do so here today. So we have our UV Coastal Chartreuse Green, designed for moments just like this, chum season. So we're going to sneak that in here. This dubbing has been specifically curated towards these styles of fisheries. So we're going to just do a little clump and dump. You can get a nice dubbing loop in here, especially if you're tying on an Alec Jackson hook. I kind of feel like I'm not doing it justice with a loop, but if you know me, I need a bunch of these and I need them now, and we are going to go chum fishing. So my lazy tendencies will still make this fly look good. Alrighty. So got a pretty good even distribution of the fibers there, and we are almost done. So throw in another wrap there just to keep this looking smooth. And the next thing we're going to do here is we're going to take some flash. And we don't need a lot of this. We just want a little bit. Doesn't need to be anything crazy. The good thing about this pattern is in some of our streams right now there's a bunch of cutthroat, and oh, are they going to eat this. Especially in this size 9 hook. So that looks pretty good to me. I'm going to do a quick wrap there. Try not to crowd the eye too much where I'm thread is having a tendency to slip forward there, so just be mindful of that. And then I don't need the second half of that, so I'm gonna cut that out. Just a little bit of flash. Sweet, looking good. Alright, we're down to the last material here. Ostrich is always fun. Chum are fun. So throwing them together. It's just going to give it a little more movement. Again, this is a sparse fly. You don't need a lot going on. It's similar lines to some clousers that individuals tie where less is more. This thread is not really wanting to cooperate with me, but we're gonna still get this to work just fine. Alrighty, guide those fibers. You're keeping them on the top there. We'll work our way back. Yahtzee. We'll trim these off as close as you can, and now we'll clean it up. Crowd the eye a little bit with those fibers, but overall this is going to get the job done, and it's going to get it done really, really well. So we'll throw in a few whip finishes here. Without trying to destroy that thread too much. And then we will throw in some UV clear fly finish to finish this up. Make sure it looks nice. I'm not super excited with the head of this fly, but again, it'll make it happen. And that will do it, everybody. I hope you guys enjoyed this. Remember, when you're targeting these fish, it's nothing crazy that you need to do. Just get some chartreuse, keep it sparse, get it on a hook, and go out there and fish. If you like this, be sure to hit like, be sure to hit subscribe, and we will see you guys next time.